Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We got my man Jim's Fridge 48 rolling out of shop today. I'll tell you what, she is a looker. All right, first off, it is on our off-road package. Got those badass upgraded wheels and tires from our guys Mods down in Texas. We've got the stainless steel front shell. Hey, he said double cup holder wasn't enough for him. He wanted 3, so we got him 3 cup holders on there. We'll open up the main chamber here. Guys, all of our fridges, they're cabinet door style, and they got 3 sliding trays in here. It's a lot of cook room. You got a small-ish footprint, still a big-ass smoker, but a lot of cook room for how much size you got here. And like I mentioned, this is a reverse flow, so you got removable reverse flow plates in here. You can pick them up out of there. Makes it easy to clean up the bottom of your smoker. He did get a removable smokestack on the fridge. That way, rolling in and out of your garage, 4 bolts, pop that sucker off. You can get it in there. Come around to the hot box. Now, this is our 30-inch hot box. 5 sliding trays in here, y'all know the deal. 1,776 square inches of cook space. That's just because we love America, okay? In here, we got our removable plate with daisy wheels. Allows this to run independent from the main chamber. So very versatile option here. Now he did get our fully insulated firebox. He also got our propane assist. Heartbeat of America. Anyways, propane assist right here. Set your logs in there, hook it up to a propane tank. You got a burner in there, get your fire going for you. D-ring tie downs in all 4 corners. On the back side here, hook my man up with the umbrella holder there. He's also got one in the front here, y'all can't see, but it's there. And a fold down rear shelf, guys. That's a must have on your fridge smoker. Get that folding rear shelf. Like, y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.